In this video, you'll learn how to upload images in Claude AI. Whether you want to share a screenshot, a photo, or a design file, being able to add images to your conversation makes it much easier to get detailed and accurate help. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to do, even if it's your first time using the feature. First, make sure you're in a Claude chat window and that you can see the message bar at the bottom of the screen. This is the same box where you normally type your questions or prompts. Take a moment to look just to the side of that message bar, usually on the left or right edge, for a small plus icon. It looks like a simple plus sign inside a button. Now go ahead and click the plus icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear with different options for adding content to your message. One of those options will be labeled Upload Image. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to attach a picture for Claude to analyze, describe, or reference. Next, click on Upload Image. As soon as you do, a file browser window will open on your computer. This is where you'll navigate to the folder that contains the image or images you want to share. You might look in your desktop, your downloads folder, your pictures folder, or wherever you usually save screenshots and photos. Once you're in the right folder, you can choose a single image by clicking on it one time. If you only need Claude to look at one file, that's all you have to do before moving on. But if you want to upload more than one image in the same message, you can select multiple files at once. On Windows, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard while you click each image you want to include. On a Mac, hold down the Command key instead. As you click, you'll see each selected file become highlighted, showing that it's been added to your selection. Take a second to double check that you've chosen the correct image or images. This is especially important if you have a lot of similar files or screenshots with similar names. Once you're sure your selection is right, look for the Open button in the file browser window. This button is typically in the bottom right corner of the window. Click the Open button. After you do this, your selected images will be attached to the message you're composing in Claude. You should see small previews or thumbnails of each image appear above or inside the message bar. If something looks off, you can remove an image before sending and repeat the upload if needed. From here, you can type a description or a question to go along with your images so Claude understands what you want. For example, you might say what you need help with, what to focus on, or what kind of analysis you're looking for. When you're ready, just send the message as usual, and Claude will use the images you uploaded to give a more tailored response. That's all there is to it. By using the plus icon, choosing Upload Image, selecting your files, and clicking Open, you can quickly add visuals to your conversations and get much richer, more precise help from Claude AI.